Okay, y'all, I was asked to do a brow tutorial. So one thing that I do when I first get ready to do my brows, I always conceal the bottom of my brows. So I will have like an outline. So this is what I do. I use the MAC, and my top is broke off and on it, but I use the MAC concealer in NC45. So what I would do is I will outline the bottom. I start here, and has been the most easiest way. Make sure your brows are cleaned up. Mine are not, but clean up your brows. But I outline the bottom. I sculpt them out the way that I want them to be. Like I said, my brows, I'm naturally arched anyway, so if I clean them up, it doesn't take much for my brows to doesn't take much with me with my brows. So anyway, gonna fill them in. I'm gonna fill them in with the Anastasia brow Benefit. I'm sorry, I don't know where Anastasia come from. The Benefit brow. This is my favorite brow pencil, favorite of all time. So what I do, I start here, and I just put a couple of like just strokes right here, and then I'll go here. So that'll be like my outline. Now I'll line the bottom. So that's all that I do. And that's all that I do, you guys. And then I fill them in. So I have another brow pencil that I normally use to fill them in. It's a little bit, it's still by Benefit. But as you see on this one, it is really super small. And the one that I use to fill them in is a little bit wider. If I can find it, it's here. A little bit wider. This is the one that I fill in. And if I want to make my brows like the color of my hair, say for instance, I'm going to make it, add some red to it, I will use this pencil by LA in the shade Deep Red. And it looks like this. I need to sharpen it. And if I don't see my pencil sharpener. But anyway, I'll take it and I'll do a couple of strokes and I'll fill it in some with the red. A couple of strokes and fill it in with the red. And then I will take this one and I'll finish filling it in. And that's really all that I do. It doesn't take much when you do that with the outline on the bottom. It makes it so much easier to fill them in and not make such a mess once you have your outline. And by doing like I did with the bottom with the concealer, that has really changed up my brow game. And it doesn't take long to do my brows now that I do that. So once I fill them in, I will take the spoolie on the end. And that's it. And my brows are done. I am going to do this so it won't look so harsh, because right now it looks really, really harsh. I'm going to take my brush and blend out the bottom. Y'all, my brushes are so dirty. I need to clean my brushes so bad. But I'll take it and blend out the bottom. And most of the time I'm doing some form of foundation, eyeshadow look. So it doesn't look quite as bad. I'm never not doing brows without putting on an eye look. Gotta have an eye look. But that's normally what I do for my brows. So if you want to make it where it doesn't look like mine, you can tell it's highlighted around the bottom. And I don't do the top. You know, one time we were doing the top. I don't do the concealer at the top. Now, if you want to not have it so highlighted like mine's are at the bottom, you would need to take a concealer more toward the color of your actual skin complexion. Because mine is a few shades lighter, and that's on purpose because, like I said, I'm doing eyeshadow normally on mine. But you take a concealer about your complexion and outline the bottom. It'll do the same. So my brows are done. Didn't take long at all. Hope this helped with your brows, and maybe this will help someone else out to be able to do their brows even that much easier. But y'all, it was so simple, so quick. This is real time. I didn't edit it. I didn't cut out anything. This is just how quick it is for me to do my brow. You guys, it was just that simple. Don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe. And while you're down there, click that like button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, remember, true beauty comes from the inside out. Bye.